Let's be honest, the online world has completely changed. What worked in 2020 doesn't work anymore. Algorithms have shifted, attention spans are shorter, and people want smarter ways to make money online, not harder. If you've been watching people online saying they're earning from home and you've wondered, how are they actually doing this video will answer that for you. I'm going to break down the 5 best business ideas for 2026, the ones that are realistic, beginner-friendly, and actually working right now. By the end, you'll know exactly which business is right for you and how to get started today, even if you've never built anything online before. So let's dive in. Business idea number 1, digital products. A digital product is anything you create once and sell repeatedly, like ebooks, templates, guides, or courses. You make it once, list it online, and it keeps selling without extra work. There's no inventory, no shipping, and no physical product to manage. If you've learned something that others want to learn, that's your gold mine. Maybe you know how to budget better, design in Canva, or build a simple online business. That's a skill people will pay for if you package it into something clear and valuable. Here's where people go wrong. They overcomplicate everything. They spend weeks designing, tweaking fonts, rewriting chapters, and never launch. The truth is, people don't want a perfect product. They want a useful one, like a quick start guide or a mini course that solves a small but real problem is all you need to get started. Instead of a 200-page ebook, make a 10-page step-by-step checklist. Instead of a big course, start with a single video training that helps people take one action. You can build your ebook in Canva using templates, and you'll be shocked how professional it looks once you add your story and insights. Digital products are one of the simplest ways to start because you can sell your knowledge, your experiences, your solutions, not your time. Now, if you love the idea of making money online, but don't want to create your own product just yet, this next business model is where most beginners start, and it's also one of the easiest to scale. So affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission when people buy through your link. It's kind of like being a digital matchmaker. You connect people with what they already need and get paid for making the connection. You don't handle support or delivery. You just share something you've used or believed in. Here's what beginners get wrong. They join 10 random affiliate programs, post their links everywhere, and wonder why no one clicks. That doesn't build trust. Affiliate marketing only works when you promote something you actually stand behind. Something that fits your values, your lifestyle, and your story. If you're using a system or product that's genuinely helped you, talk about that. Show your journey, show your results, and help others do the same. The most powerful way to sell as an affiliate isn't to act like a salesperson. It's actually to be a storyteller. Pick one product, stay consistent, and lead with your results, not just links. And here's another insider secret. Look for products that offer recurring commissions. That means you get paid every month a customer stays subscribed, not just one time. That's how you create ongoing cash flow instead of once-off sales. Okay, but what if you're more creative? Maybe you love designing, organizing, or visuals, and you want to build something beautiful that sells itself. Then you're going to love idea number 3. Printables and digital templates. This one is perfect if you enjoy design or creativity but want something simple and low stress. You can sell templates, planners, journals, or even digital cards. Anything that helps people save time or stay organized. Platforms like Etsy make it incredibly easy to start. You don't even need a website. You just upload your files and people can purchase instantly. And here's the best part. Once you upload a product, it can sell for months or even years without you doing anything else. Now that's what I call real passive income. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake. Creating what you like instead of what people are searching for. Many sellers spend hours designing something pretty but forget to check demand. Always research first. Go on Etsy, type in digital planner or social media template, and look at what's selling well. If you see similar styles appearing across multiple stores, that's your signal that it works. From there, you can just create your own version. Same purpose, just with your different personality. It doesn't need to be revolutionary. It just needs to be useful and visually appealing. Once you've got a few listings up, promote them on Pinterest. It's free traffic and your pins stay visible for months, far longer than TikToks or Reels. But maybe you're listening and thinking, Lizelle, I'm not really a designer. I just want to offer a service, use AI and get paid quickly. That's where the next business comes in. And it's exploding right now. AI-powered freelancing and services. Now, this is one of the fastest growing business models for 2026. You can start offering services online like content creation, copywriting, video editing, or even social media management using AI tools to speed up your workflow. You don't need years of experience to start. You just need to know how to use the tools that businesses already need help with. For example, You can use ChatGPT to write emails or blog posts, Canva AI to design social posts, and tools like Opus Clip to turn long videos into short viral clips. Just with those tools, you can deliver professional quality results in half the time, which makes you incredibly valuable to small business owners. The mistake I see most often, people try to be cheap to get clients. They charge $10 for hours of work, hoping it'll bring more opportunities. Well, it doesn't. Clients don't want cheap. They want reliable. Sell the speed, the simplicity, and the outcome, not just the service. So instead of saying, I create posts, say, I'll help you stay consistent online by creating a week of social media content using AI. See, it's a small shift, but it positions you as a problem solver instead of just another freelancer. Start with one clear offer. Maybe it's editing short videos, writing emails, or designing Instagram templates. Deliver excellent results and you'll get repeat clients and referrals quickly. AI is the biggest opportunity shift we've seen in years. Those who learn how to use it and mix it with their creativity are going to lead the next wave of digital entrepreneurs. And if you're ready to move from working for clients to building something that brings in recurring income, this final idea might be the one that changes everything for you. Coaching or membership communities. This one's for those who love helping others grow. Coaching and community-based memberships are where people pay monthly to be part of something, whether it's mentorship, accountability, or learning a new skill. You can create a small group where you meet weekly, teach something specific, or help people stay consistent toward a goal. You can host it on School, Circle, Kajabi, and it's easier to start than most people think. If you've ever helped someone one-on-one, given advice, helped them with confidence, or taught a skill, that's proof you can coach. And if you think, but I'm not an expert, remember this. You only need to be 1 or 2 steps ahead of the person you're helping. The biggest mistake I see here is trying to speak to everyone. The more specific you are, the faster you're going to grow. For example, fitness for moms after 40, confidence coaching for beginners, social media strategy for small business owners. See, when you speak directly to one type of person, they feel seen and they'll want to join your community. Start small. Offer a free challenge or workshop first, then invite people who want more support into your membership. Value always wins. Even 20 members paying just $50 per month is $1,000 a month of recurring income. And that's just the beginning. And beyond the money, this business model is about impact. You get to watch people's lives change because of something that you started. So now you've seen the 5 best online businesses for 2026. But let me wrap this up with one piece of truth most people never tell you. Every one of these business ideas works, but only if you do. The biggest mistake you can make is trying to do them all at once or waiting for the perfect time to start. Just pick one idea that fits your strengths and commit to it for the next 90 days. You'll be amazed at how much can shift in 3 months of focused action. And if you want to skip the tech overwhelm and plug into something that's already built, where the products, the funnels, the automation, everything's ready for you, check out my digital magnetic system. Now, this is the exact done-for-you system I use to build a multiple 6-figure business from home. You can personalize it, plug it in, and start earning faster. I'm going to add the link below. Just remember, 2026 will belong to the ones who take action early. You don't need permission. You just need to start.